I'm old, I'm puzzled, and I'm only able to change one of those.
Today's puzzle is a 1,000-piece jigsaw puzzle from Eurographics' City Collection entitled Le Vieux-Quebec, which translates to English as Old Quebec. The image is a lovely photograph of Quebec City taken from across the river at sunset. The old town is in the foreground, and the top of the picture is dominated by the Chateau Frontenac, and the rails of the funicular can clearly be seen connecting the two. This was a lovely puzzle to do. So much so I did it twice, but not by choice. After finishing this puzzle, I realized there was a problem with the time-lapse overhead camera, and I had to disassemble and reassemble the puzzle again, which is why the video starts with the puzzle pieces already separated into 5 categories of border, sky, water, buildings, and trees. So let's do this.
So thanks for watching the video. Also in the comments is a link to my Buy Me a Coffee page if you'd like to support this channel. And subscribe to this channel to see what other nonsense I can get up to. Because, you know, I'm old, I'm bored, and I'm only able to change one of those.